Hello, my friends. It is time for me to share the full collection with you on our Peking Critters. Now, chances are you've already seen the club stamp and die set with those cute little 3 guys. But if you know me at all, you know I can never stop with that. So I've added to the collection, and let me just tell you, you need it, because you're going to sit down with these 3 little critters and say, gosh, I wish I had a kitty cat. Or gosh, I wish I had another doggy. Guess what? Ding, ding, ding. Here you go. So go check out our bundle. We're offering this special bundle of all these items I'm going to show you right now at an extra special duper price. So not only is it our everyday low price, then it is flash sale price the first 24 hours. Then the bundle gets an extra discount and you get your club discount. It's like insane. It's like I'm paying you to take these off my hands. So here we go. You get the stamp set. You get the dies that match. You get the stencil set, which is a must have. And this fun, simple A2 stand-up, which is absolutely amazing. You've got to go check it out. Go check out the other videos, but go get the bundle first so you don't miss out. Thanks so much. I'll see you at the website, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.